So good morning, guys. I am from Thyroid Solutions. So today we are going to learn about the how we can create a project in Vite. So before starting, let me open our folder that is React Recordings. So here I'm importing my folder in this VS Code, code space dot. Yeah. So now let me put this down. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so here these are my folder. So now today we are going to see that how we are going to work with this React plus Vite app. Fine. So yeah, so let me zoom in. So before working with the Vite, first of all, let me show you one thing that how we can create a project in the Vite. So before that, yesterday in the yesterday class, we discussed that how we created a project in the Vite. Let me delete this one because yesterday we are facing some errors. So today we will be solving those errors. So today we are going to create a project in the Vite. So to create a project in the Vite, the first step is the command here is let me open the notepad here. Here I will be writing some notes. So let me create a text document here. And here I am saying 15th July, 15th July. So 2025 here. And here I am saying, so let me zoom in a bit. So today we are going to learn creating a project in the React plus Vite. Creating a project in React plus Vite plus Vite. So how we can create a project in React plus Vite? So to create a project in the React plus Vite, the command is npm create at the rate latest. Fine. So to create a project, to create a project in React plus React plus Y Vite. To create a project in React plus Vite, the command is the command is npm. The command is the command is npm create Vite at the rate latest. Then if you press enter, it will ask you the project name. So project name you have to give here. Project name after that. Project name it will ask. Here you have to give the project name. Sometimes they ask the package name also. Package name also. Then it will ask for the which framework you want to choose, which library or framework. So React. And after that, it will ask you the version, whether TypeScript version you want or JavaScript version you want. So here we will be selecting JavaScript. Fine. So now let's create by using this command here. So here in the terminal, I am writing create npm create Vite Vite latest and press enter. So after that, it will ask me for the project name. So it is asking me the project name. So I'm saying 01 basic basic Vite 01 basic Vite. I am saying, and it is asking me for the package name. So I'm saying package.json package.json. It is asking me select framework. So I am saying React. It is asking me for the variant, so I'm saying JavaScript variant. Okay, so now if you see here, the 01 basic Vite project is ready. But now if you compare this Vite with this React part, you will see that node module folder is here, but in the Vite part, node module folder is not here. So we have to install this node module folder, because without those node module folder, we cannot run any project. So to install the node module folder, first of all, we have to go inside our project. So to go inside our project, what we have to do is 01 cd 01 basic Vite, our project name. So now we are inside this cd01 basic, then we have to do the Vite, Vite, Vite. So now we are inside our 01 basic Vite. So here after that, what we have to do is we have to install the node module folder. So to install the node module folder, the command here is, let me write it here. To install the node module folder, to install the node module folder, the command is the command is npm install, or we can say or npm npmi. Both will work fine. So now if I open this code here, and just suppose here after this, let me pull this thing to the up so that you can see clearly. Yeah, so here after that, here to install that node module folder, npm install, I am saying npm install. Yeah, and it is installing me the node module folder. So now if you see here in this white, node module folder will be coming after some time. So here node module folder is now created and the modules are getting installed. Okay. So after that, we will be seeing that how we can run a white project, and to whatever the errors we faced yesterday, today we will be solving those errors also. So now here, let me run the code. Let me run this project. So npm to run a project which is React plus White here. Let me write here to run a project of React plus White. The command is npm run dev. Okay, guys. And to run a project, remember this one also. To run a project of React only, not plus White, only React. The command is yesterday we used that command npm run start. So after that, here let me write the code. So let me run npm run, as this one is White, so we have to use dev, npm run dev. So let me show you. Right now we are facing all these errors. Yesterday also we faced these errors. Actually these errors are coming. If any one of you have facing these errors, so please follow these steps to rectify those errors. So these errors are coming just because of the version issues. Okay. So right now we are using this React 19.1, which is not till now declared. So that's why that error is coming. So to rectify that error, what we have to do is already saved some of the things here in this package.json file. So here if you see, so you will get to know that in the dependency section, 18.2 version we have to use. But in the actual program here, we will be seeing that 19 point something version is showing in the dependencies part here. Fine. So we have to replace these things. Fine. So now we have to replace it. So let me copy that thing. Let me copy this whole package.json and let me paste there. So I'm copying it here and I am pasting all things over here. So after pasting, everyone please note it down. We have to run a command so that package lock.json. We to temporarily fix these things. What we have to do is we have to run a command so that we can save all my changes in the package lock.json. Find package lock.json. We have to save it. So how we can do it? The command is dollar. First of all, we have to do rm space dash rf node underscore modules package package dash log dot json json. Then we have to press enter. So now what is the purpose of this command? The purpose of this command is to remove all your previous settings. Package log dot json is now no more, it is getting removed. Now we have to do npm install, and at this time what will happen is that package log.json will come, and node module folder will also appear. Fine. Okay, fine. So now let me run this npm run dev once again. So npm run dev, and let's see what happens this time. So yeah, this time our project is running successfully. So follow the link, and we will be seeing that how my React plus Vite project is now running. Fine, guys, everyone. I hope these things is clear to you all. Okay, fine. Thank you, guys. So now all together we will be seeing that how all together we can run the code. So once again here I am creating a new project, that is React project. This time I am creating. Before going to create a new project, let's discuss what is the difference between this Vite and this React part. So in the Vite part, if you see here in this package.json, in this dependencies section, we have only two, React and React DOM. And if you see here in the script part, we have dev, build in it, and very less dependencies, dev dependencies we have. But if you go to this basic React part and package.json, we will be seeing that a lot of dependencies are there, and lot of scripts are there. It's a very big module. So that's why if you see that once we create a project in only React part, so it takes a lot of time as compared to the Vite part. I hope these things are clear to you all. So now let's create a new project in the first React part. Then again another project will be creating in the Vite part. So to create a project inside this React part, so how we can do npm create Vite Vite at the rate npm create React app, and here 02 basic React. Uh, Sorry, npx create React app 02 basic React. So here again it is showing me that some acha, okay, fine. Due to the version issues, I have to face this thing. But if you follow this command, it will be directly pasting create React app at the rate latest. I have to add. So in the previous command itself, I have to add the at the after this app, I have to add at the rate latest. This is the at the rate latest I have to use here. Then the project name. So now if I run this one, so this one will be working fine. So here cannot create project name because of NPM naming restrictions. Okay, something due to project name 02 basic React. So this time our project is getting created. Previously, what happened? The naming convention was not good because here this is a naming convention in React that we cannot give a uppercase character to any project. Fine. So remember this one, guys. Whenever we are giving capital B and here capital R, that is not taking as a project name. The moment I given small b and small r, it is taking. Fine. So always remember this, that in a React it is a naming convention that every project the first character should be in lowercase, not in the uppercase. Fine, everyone. I hope these things are clear. So if you observe now that here it is taking me so long time to install all the modules. But once we install this white part, it will be very easy and smoothly it will be going. Yeah, so here it is all getting installed. Let it install peacefully. After that, we will be seeing that how we can run the React project. Then after that, we will seeing that how we can install a new project in the white part. So now it is getting installed till now. Let's see what happens in the end. So 02 basic React is our project name this time. Yeah, guys, so our project is successfully created. Now let's run this project. So once again, first, before running the project, we have to go inside it. So cd02 and basic React we have to give. And we are inside our project. So here npm run start is the command to start the server of the React. So now if I run this code, so this is my project which is running now. So now it is still loading. Okay. My laptop is little bit slow maybe. So let's see here. So now before that, let the page loading, let it be loaded. So we will be seeing here that till now we have not written any code. Fine. In the project, we have not written any code. So from where this thing is coming, from where this logos and from there this thing is coming. So the reason behind it is once we go inside this 02 basic React folder, our project, inside this src, there is app.js. There is app.js. So whatever is now seeing in our screen, whatever now we are viewing or seeing on our HTML page, that is just because of these codes. So now if I remove all those things from here, all those things from here, so now let's see how it affects my web page. So once let me remove all those things here. So now you will be seeing that my output is not coming at all here. Fine. So now if I refresh this one, so you will be seeing that my output is not coming. Fine, it is showing me an error. Fine, so how I can solve this one, just because we have to give it something like this, and the error is gone now here. And you will be seeing here that after the compiling successfully, it will give me a blank page. Now it is coming. So why this blank page? Because here whatever the previous codes were, I removed that code. Fine. So now suppose here as an HTML page, I am writing h1 here. Simply an h1 I am putting. Let me put here the h1 I am putting here. And here I am writing hello friends. I am writing, so you will be seeing that now hello friends is coming on the screen here. Fine, hello friends is coming on the screen. So this was the motive of today's class. That is how we can represent our text or our things on the web page using the React. So always remember this thing, guys, that whatever is coming on the screen just because of app.js folder. Fine. In the same way, let's create a Vite project and let's see what happens at that time. So to create a Vite project, the command just now I discussed with you, that is what is the command npm create Vite at the rate latest. So just let my terminal load. So here I'm putting the command as, here I'm putting the command as npm create Vite at the rate latest 02 basic basic Vite 02 basic Vite. And if I press enter, it is now asking me for the pro. So now it is giving me select the framework. I am saying React. It is saying me for the variant. It is then I am saying JavaScript, and now it is created the 02 basic Vite. So inside the src folder, you will seeing that I don't have any I don't have anything here. Fine, in the basic Vite, I don't have that, what we can say is node module folders. I don't have here. Fine, here in the this part, I don't have the node module folder. So to get the node module folder, first of all, we have to go inside this basic React, basic Vite project. This. So after that, after going into this 0 to basic Vite, then we have to do npm install. And once I do this npm install, again I have to change for the package.json. Again I have to change in this package.json. So let it install once. So now node module folder is now created here. So now you will see that node module folder is created. Again, we have to make changes in the package.json. So let me select all and let me from package.json, let me copy all the things from here. So let me copy all the things from this package.json and let me paste in this package.json so that I can make changes over it. So after that lockage, this package lock.json I have to modify. So the command is rm space dash rf space node underscore modules package dash lock dot json. npm install npm install to reinstall this node module. So after that we will be running our project. So let it complete once. So now my node module folder is installed here. So after that, let's run this project. So to run a white project, npm run dev is the command. So now my server will start. So now to run this project, what we have to do is we have to just follow this link, and now white plus react is getting loaded here. So if you observe here, we have not written a single code for this, then from where these all things are coming? So again, the answer is same. Inside the source folder, we have app.jsx. Always remember this naming convention that whenever you are using React plus Vite, then the app.jsx and every file will contain JSX syntax. But if you run this Vite React, only React part, then here JSX is the extension. So all things are coming just because of this app.jsx. So now let me remove all these codes here from app.jsx, and here simply I am putting h1 here. H1 I am putting here, and I am saying hello friends. So now let's see whether this hello friends is coming on the web page or not. So now if I run this code, you will be seeing that hello friends is coming on the web page. So from this activity we got to learn that whenever we need to put any data on the HTML page, we have to put inside this app.jsx in the white part. And if anything we want to put on the web page on in the React project, then app.jsx we have to put. So I hope these things are clear, guys. Thank you for the class, and please be with me in this React series. Thank you, everyone. I hope you guys are enjoying the classes. Thanks a lot, guys.